I feel communication is one of these underrated skills that we all use all the time. We all need it in every part of our lives, yet no one taught us how to do it at school or anywhere.
Yeah.
And I wanted to ask you, what has communication unlocked for you in your life and for the people that you help in a way that nothing else could?
It's unlocked a life of peace. For me, a lot of people say you sound very calm. Well, it's because I've been through a lot of hard. The greater tolerance I have for difficult conversations, the greater relationships I'm going to have in my life. For me, communication has helped me be a better husband, a better father, a better friend in ways that only communication can do. And you're right, we go through our whole season of growing up, going to high school, maybe going to college, and all of a sudden you get married, and then you look at the person next to you and you go, oh, wait, I have to talk to you. I have to talk at work. I have to manage people. How do I do that? That's a skill of communication it is learned. It is not just gifted.
Well, you just said that you are a good communicator because you've had a lot of tough conversations and hard conversations. I think most of us, we avoid tough and hard conversations. We don't even want to go there. And we don't want to get into a tough discussion with our partner, or we don't want to get into a difficult discussion with our boss, or we're trying our best to just navigate away from, and we think that's what good communication is. Why would you encourage people to meet difficult and tough conversations head on?
When we choose to have the difficult conversation and we get on the other end of it and realize, oh, wait, life didn't fall apart. Oh, wait, I'm still here. Oh, wait, they chose to accept me. Wait, they didn't run away. It's a feeling that can't be replaced when you realize you can be more vulnerable with this person. You can go deeper with this person. Think of the people in your life that you're the closest with. They're the people who've seen your ugly, the hard stuff, the messy stuff. And when you can have that kind of capacity for each other in communication and conversation, you're only going to grow.
Well, I think that's the thing, right? Like the reason we're scared of having a tough conversation is because we're scared of the outcome. And so we've already predicted that I don't want to have that conversation because they're going to break up with me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to have that conversation because then they're going to know I'm weak. I don't want to have that conversation because I might get fired or I might get looked over for that promotion. How do we approach tough conversations without an inherent belief of it being a negative result?
It's the understanding that it's not my job to feel somebody else's feelings for them. That's what you do when you're afraid to disappoint someone. You're afraid to say the hard thing, the right thing. You'd rather be nice. You'd rather say the thing that sounds good. Those kind of things always have a bitter taste because you realize I'm not being real. I'm not being authentic. And before you know it, you've just been people-pleasing. Before you know it, you feel less than yourself. Before you know it, you feel lost and you really don't know who you are. And now you're in your mid-40s and you have a crisis and you go, what is my purpose on life here? Because I've been living it to serve everybody else's needs, not for what's true and authentic in my life.